Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel for my new schedule. I hope you guys know I'm going to make a video every Wednesday, every Friday, and then Mondays and Tuesdays are going to be videos with my boyfriend only once a month. But anyways, well, one of those days actually. But anyways, today I'm doing a toy review. And first I want to show you the mini school dance set. You have to put together, came with a whole bunch of stuff, a little disco table, a place where you put the mini dolls on, and actually make them dance. Like this swings lets you spin. And a little table. A table to put the snacks on. So the snacks that it came with a couple of snacks. First I'm going to show you what else it came with. It came with accessories, a little masquerade thing. Came with a hat. Came with a little top hat. Came with little cat ears, or cat face, or whatever you want to call it. Came with a crown. You might have saw these things on my Criminal music video. The little mouse ears. You might have seen these on my Criminal music video. I did it a couple months ago. I did a couple last year. Heart glasses. A little mustache. This little thing, I don't know. And one more thing. And a skirt. So those are all the accessories for the photo booth. So the snacks you put on the snack table, there's a couple of snacks that came with it to put on this table. And I'm going to show you what it came with. It came with two cakes, a blue cake, came with a pink cake, teeny tiny little punch glasses, a punch bowl, and it came with a little teeny tiny little spoon for people to scoop up their punch into their glasses. A tray of cookies, another tray of cookies, and what's a party without pizza? came with a pizza box, and the pizza box actually opens. There's a pizza in it. So let me open up the pizza box. I need 2 hands, so excuse me for 1 minute while I open the pizza box. There's a pizza inside the pizza box. And there's 1 slice of pizza that's separate to the others. You can pretend one of your characters is eating a slice of pizza out of the box with this slice of pizza. And the rest of the pizza. There's not room for the pizza box, but there we go. See, in the little dancing studio, the photo booth. There's also a background that came with the photo booth. It came with this for the background of the photo booth. And yes, Photo Finish is our photographer. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with some dolls on it. This is our photographer. She's going to be taking pictures, so that's the photographer that came with the set. We had to buy the dolls are sold separately to let you know. So we're going to have Twilight State. And they have little pegs at the bottom of their feet. This Twilight came with the set. So I'm going to put her on the stand too. Oh, and there's another doll that came with it. Who's gonna run the DJ? The DJ Pope 3. she's our little DJ, and she goes near the DJ table as well. She's going to be playing the music of the dance. I'm not going to be working out the pegs, man. They're terrible. I have more mini dolls that came. But Twilight came with it, and the food came with it, and all that other stuff came with it. So that's what came with the thing. Digipont 3 and Last Century and Faux you have to get themselves separately in the other dolls. So this is the school dance playset. So yeah, it's a pretty good set to have, and it's beautiful as it is, and I'm taking good time with it. But yeah, so yeah, that's the school dance playset. Now I have two other things to show you in this video. So it's toy review number 2, and it's going to be part of these mini dolls, and I'm going to show you how many mini dolls I have. So let me put away the school playset first. Now in this sunflower box, or the sunflower bag, I'm going to show you what's in it, which has these mini dolls. So far we have both finished Last Century, the dance version of Twilight, and Digipont 3. Now I'm going to take them out, and there's also other parts that came with these sets. We have Pinkie Pie. And something cool about her, she came with a couple of things. I'm going to show you what she came with. She came with a mirror. I had to clean up these toys, they're a little dusty. And she came with a chair she could sit on while Rarity does her hair. She didn't come with Rarity, but it's just a chair. Or I think Rarity might have done it. And she also came with other hairstyles and skirts. Came with another style too. Came with another style and another skirt because her hair actually comes off. You can pick what hairstyle you want. So that's kind of cool. So we have Pinkie Pie. Okay, I have some duplicates, but they're different forms, and they're from different playsets because there was a different type of playsets, but I only have one playset for the mini dolls. So, yeah, I only have a couple of sets, but that's about it, according to that part of it. Yeah. I had the school dance version of Fluttershy. have the glitter form of Twilight Sparkle. I have the rock and roll version of Twilight. Her microphone is, she came with a microphone and a stand. I lost the stand, but her microphone's in a tiny little box up there. And I'll show you those pony dolls and those big dolls in another video in the future. Also have the rock and roll Applejack. She came with a hat and a microphone and a stand as well. When I find her hat, I'll put it back on her. I have the school dance version of Rarity. The glitter version of Rarity. The glitter version of Pinkie Pie. The glitter version of Fluttershy. And the school dance version of Rainbow Dash. And this is Applejack's hat. Let me put it on so you know what she looks like with this hat on. Yeehaw, everybody. Okay. And this also fell out. It's for one of the big dolls, which I'm going to show you in another video. I'll show you the accessories that came with the big dolls. I put them in these bags. Different things. Which I'm showing you in a different video. Wait, there's another bag. That was just of hair pieces from Rainbow Dash and other stuff from other dolls. And Fluttershy's backpack just stayed in its bag. That's all the mini dolls I have. Now I want to show you what's in this bag. It was actually made for this bag. I'm not sure if you remember these, but these are a really old toy from a long time ago. I'm not sure if you remember them. There are new versions of them now. But these are the old versions of them. If you guys remember Betty Spaghetti. I also got the McDonald's versions of them. I got this one from a Happy Meal. McDonald's had a range of them. So we have Betty Spaghetti. And then, where's the other one I got from McDonald's? have Zoe. I also have other characters, but I'm just going to show you their heads. The one with purple hair is called Zoe, and the one with pink hair is Betty Spaghetti, the main character. The girl with the blue hair, her name is Celeste. I have two versions of Hen. Her name's actually Hannah. This is my first version of Hannah. And this is my other version of Hannah. There's my second Zoe. I have two versions of Spaghetti. And I only have one version of this girl. I have one version of Celeste and I only have one version of Tess. Cool things about these dolls, you can actually switch. I can't do it with the McDonald's ones, but you can actually switch their clothes. There's clothes, arms, and legs. You can actually make the dolls into what you want. You can make them wear full outfits, like the dress. You can make them wear the two camping outfits, this outfit. There's other outfits in here. My favorite one is this one. A backpack. The camping version came with water bottle, a campfire. Is this cool, YouTubers? Came with a burger. Also came with a hot dog and a stick with a marshmallow on it. And the camping set came with a little friend. The hat for the guys with the ponytails, but not two ponytails, but the one with the one ponytail. So you guys with the guy with the two ponytails, it goes for their hair. Also came with mustard. I lost the ketchup, but I have the mustard. Here it is. No, that's not it. Okay, here it is. There's the cat. There's the hot dog. This is the hot dog, and there's a hole in the middle of the hot dog, so you can put it for the stick. It also has a marshmallow with a stick, so you can cook the hot dog over the fire. So that's about it. And the stands are from My Little Pony. So these are Betty Spaghettis. It's a really good old toy. They're really awesome. So I'm glad you enjoyed. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this toy review. And please subscribe. Click like, and I'll see you in another video. Have a miracle awesome day. Bye.